Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying iOS is up to date and making a quick backup. That preserves data if anything changes. Once done, decide which Apple ID will hold your iCloud data and which will manage purchases. Make sure both credentials and two-factor access are ready. Now open Settings, tap your name to confirm the current iCloud account, and leave it signed in if that's the one you want. Then move to the next step, to add the second ID for media and purchases. You'll now add the second Apple ID for purchases and services. Go to Settings, tap App Store or Media and Purchases, sign out of the current media account if needed, then sign in with the other Apple ID. Once signed in, check Automatic Downloads and Payment Methods. This prevents unexpected charges. For Messages and FaceTime, go into their sections and select the desired Apple ID so calls and texts use the right identity. Make sure family sharing or subscriptions are configured as you prefer. You finish by verifying each account behaves as intended. Open App Store to confirm purchased apps appear under the chosen ID, check iCloud settings for contacts and photos, and test Messages and FaceTime. After that, adjust notification and sync settings for each service so you don't mix data. If something looks wrong, sign out of the affected account, restart the iPhone, and sign back in. A key troubleshooting tip: if sign-in fails, reset the Apple ID password or check two-factor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.